I'm going to head inside this Sportsman's warehouse shop and see what I can find that I like. Wow, look at all of these guns. They look so unique. I think I will go ahead and take this black rifle. Now, I wonder what I can do with this rifle. Well, there's only one way to find out. Wow, this is amazing. I can shoot bullets out of the rifle. Well, in that case, I'm going to shoot more bullets out of this rifle. Hey, Buddy Bro's dad, why would you take the rifle away from me?
Because Dark Neptune Buddy Bro, you were shooting bullets out of this rifle here in Sportsman's warehouse. What were you even thinking? You couldn't cause a lot of damage or possibly hurt someone by doing that in this outdoor equipment store. That's it. You're temporarily kicked out of this Sportsman's warehouse location for the whole week. Go home right now and I will notify your parents about this.
Great, I'm going to be in boiling hot water when I get home.
When Dark Neptune Buddy Bro got home.
Dark Neptune Buddy Bro, what in the name of God is your problem? Right now, Buddy Bro's dad has just notified us about you playing with a rifle by shooting bullets out of it at Sportsman's warehouse. That was extremely dangerous of you to do that in an outdoor equipment store.
I strongly agree with your father. You couldn't cause a lot of damage or possibly hurt someone by shooting bullets out of the rifle at Sportsman's warehouse. For this, you will be grounded for the whole week.
Now go upstairs to your room. Right now, and no more playing with guns or any other types of weapons for you. You guys the worst so much. Mom, Dad, and Neptune Buddy Bro. I wish I had a better life without you.